juice, a dome, a
Stop. You should.
What is up, guys, and welcome back to another day and another video.
And welcome back to another challenge. And I'm excited to be in this challenge.
And my name is Marlson,
And my name is Elston. And my name is Rawson.
And I'm Mars.
and we are
The N3E.
Today we are doing the 7-second challenge.
And what that is I'm gonna give Mawson a letter, and he has to find 5 words in 7 seconds that start with that letter. And same with Rawson. And for Elston, I'm gonna give him a letter, and he needs to find 3 words that start with that letter in 7 seconds. Okay, guys. So the way we're gonna play the game is, if they don't guess the words in 7 seconds, they get whipped in the face. All right, let's get started. Name 5 words that start with M.
Marlson,
Wait. Start now.
Marlson, we saw movie, mouse,
Stop. Mawson, we saw a movie.
One, 2, 3. Okay.
Elston, name 3 words that start with A. Set, go.
And apple.
One more.
What?
You said and apple.
No, I say and apple.
Oh, okay, good job. Rawson, name 5 words that start with L. Go.
Loser, lame-o, look.
Stop.
Don't know what.
Well, weird.
Name 5 words that start with K. Go.
Key, Carson, Carson, cow,
Stop.
Oh,
Elston, name 3 girl cousins that you have. Go.
Sinai. Thelma.
Stop. Sorry.
No! Yes! Oh no, I don't want to get it again.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Nice try.
Oh, dude, lick it.
Mawson, I want you to name 5 words that start with the letter B. Go.
Bite, Bebo. Brian.
Stop.
Yes. Rub the face.
That one on the carpet.
Elston, for your last one, name 5 colors. Go.
Red, green, blue.
Oh, good job. Sorry, I meant 3. I meant 3 colors. Okay, good job, Elston.
Can I?
Alright, no, stop. Alright, Rawson, for your last one, name 5 words that start with the letter S. Go.
Syllabus, study, social studies.
Okay, that's time. Nice try. Nice try.
Dude.
Okay, that
I
was
want
the
you
last
to
one.
pay you back later.
Alright, Moss, for your last one, I need you to say five words that begin with the letter H. Go.
Ha, he, ho, who?
Okay.
Alright guys, we're done with the challenge and hope you like this video and check out our other videos down below.
And don't forget to subscribe.
And like this video and leave a comment below.
See you next time.
Peace.